Hi friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make chicken bharta, which is a very popular chicken recipe in Kolkata, where shredded chicken is cooked in an aromatic and creamy semi-thick gravy and served with sliced egg on top. Chicken bharta is relatively a simple yet delicious dish, and this chicken preparation is best enjoyed with roti, paratha, naan or kulcha. So friends, let's get started with the making of chicken bharta. So here I have taken some chicken boneless pieces and now we need to boil them. For that, heat some water in a saucepan. Next we need to add 1 bay leaf, half teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper powder, few thin slices of garlic and few ginger strands into the water. This will make the stock flavorful. Now add the boneless chicken pieces and we need to boil them for 5 to 6 minutes until they are soft and tender. In the meantime, we'll prepare the chicken gravy. For that, heat a karhai and add 1 tablespoon of refined oil and 1 teaspoon of desi ghee. And when the ghee melts, I'll be adding 2 small cinnamon sticks, 2 cardamoms and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Give this a mix. Next, I'll be adding some onion paste, around 3 tablespoons of it. Saute for a while. Along with onion paste, I will also be adding some onion slices. I have used here 1 medium onion. Now fry them for a while. Next goes 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and a bowl of tomato puree. I have used here 2 medium tomatoes to make the puree. Now increase the flame and we need to fry them well until the raw taste of ginger, garlic, tomatoes goes away and oil starts to separate. Until this is getting fried, we will check the boiled chicken pieces and shred them to add in the gravy. So the boneless chicken pieces are boiled properly and now we need to shred the chicken pieces into small portions like this. So shredding is done and our chicken is ready to be fried along with the spice mix. So as you can see, the onions, ginger, garlic and tomato puree has been fried well by now. At this stage, I'll be adding some spices like 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of coriander or dhania powder, half teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and half teaspoon of red chili powder. Now saute all the spices well. Increase the flame a bit. This is cashew paste. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of it. This will make the gravy rich and thick. Mix them well. Along with cashew paste, I am also going to add 1 large tablespoon of hung curd or dahi, Now on medium flame, saute them well so that everything are well combined. And now we will let this simmer for about 2 minutes. By now our spice mix is almost ready. At this stage we will add the shredded chicken pieces and we will mix them well and fry them for a while along with the spice mix. By now the chicken is well fried and coated well with the spice mix. I'll be adding now some sliced green chilies and the flavorful chicken stock. Give a good mix and on medium to high flame we will let the chicken simmer in this gravy for about 2 minutes. Then of course you will need one hard boiled egg. If the quantity of your chicken is more, then you will need 2 eggs. Now slice the egg into half and then further slice into small portions like this. Like I have said earlier, chicken bharta is a very delicious dish, and unlike other chicken dishes, the mashed egg yolk imparts creaminess to this dish without adding any fresh cream into it, and this is the speciality of this dish. So our gravy has also come to a boil and into this we will add the sliced egg cubes. Now mix the egg cubes well into the gravy so that the egg yolk are well combined in the gravy. And on medium flame we will let the gravy simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes. Finally I'll be adding some crushed kasuri methi leaves and some chopped coriander leaves. Give a final mix now. This is smelling really good and the gravy has also become thick because of the egg yolk, and also we have added cashew paste. This is done now. I will turn off the flame and serve my chicken gravy hot. And here goes my delicious chicken bharta on the serving bowl. Do try this interesting chicken recipe and I'm sure you will definitely love this. I will garnish my chicken bharta with some more chopped coriander leaves, an egg slice on top and a small butter cube. You can serve this delicious chicken bharta with roti, paratha, naan or kulcha and enjoy with your family and friends. So I hope you will try this wonderful chicken recipe. Also share your feedbacks, and if you like my today's video then do like, share and subscribe to Continental Desi Kitchen for more yummy and interesting recipes. See you soon again in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.